Another great way to show you how Fin can handle complex queries completely autonomously is a workflow like this, where Fin triages technical issues the customer is reporting. First, let's have a look at what this experience looks like for the customer. I'm using Database Pro and my report is not loading, so I need some help with that. I'm going to simply ask Fin, help, my report is not loading. Fin is now going to follow a task that I have set and to help me troubleshoot this. First, Fin is asking me have I tried refreshing the page, and I have, and it's not helping. Next, Fin is asking me do I see any error messages or console errors, and I'm going to say no errors, but I do see a console error to get properties of no. It is now also asking me can I provide a full error, and I'm just going to say can't get properties of null reading report. Notice how Fin is doing deep troubleshooting just like a human agent would. Fin is now asking me, is there an issue with a specific page or where does this error happen? I'm going to say this only happens on my ARR report. Fin is also asking, does this happen consistently or does it work sometimes? I'm just going to say it never works. Fin is also asking me, can I access any other reports in the system or is it only ARR? I'm going to say it is only ARR report. Fin is a bit repetitive here, but I can tweak that further in my task if I need to. Fin is now also asking me, are my teammates running into the same issue? Which they are. So I'm going to say, yes, all my teammates have this issue. Cool. So Fin is now telling me my issue has been logged with the engineering team who will investigate this further and I'll get any updates to my email. And here you can actually see that Fin opened up a GitHub issue for the team with all the details about the issue and all the troubleshooting steps that were attempted. Next, I'd like to show you how all this is set up. So first, I have a workflow and I've configured a trigger description. In this case, I've told Fin to use this workflow to troubleshoot technical issues when customers are reporting things such as pages not loading, something not looking right or feeling like a bug, or data being incorrect. Next, I've given Fin a detailed task as to how to troubleshoot the customer's issue. Tasks are a great way of telling Fin in plain English how to get data, what to do with data, and perhaps in this case, troubleshoot issues. So you can see here that I've given Fin details about all the various different troubleshooting methods and how to collect that data and where to store it. In this case, I'm asking Fin to collect troubleshooting steps attempted, console errors, any other context, and to come up with a title of this issue in case we need to open up a bug for an engineering team. Here, you can also see that I've told Fin explicitly how to ask these questions and not to overwhelm user with a massive list of questions. Next, in my results, I have told Fin to collect all this data into temporary data attributes, which I'm then going to use to open up an issue for the engineering team. Next, I have created a GitHub issue action, which uses all the data that Fin has collected in the task and creates a GitHub issue for the engineering team. Last but not least, Fin is going to message the customer to say that the issue has been logged and the team will investigate this further. Notice how easy it is to set up these troubleshooting steps for Fin to follow. There's no technical skills or knowledge required.